Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to set up Raspberry Pi using VNC and Putty software. So at first let us go to settings. In settings we have to click on network and sharing center. In network and sharing center we have to click in our mobile hotspot. I have my mobile hotspot connected to my laptop or desktop. Yes, it has opened. So let us click on properties. Then sharing, we have to allow both the sharing. So click on OK and then close. Within this time, the Ethernet cable has also appeared. So let us click on its property. Then Internet Protocol version 4. Yes, we have got our IP address. Then copy the IP address and close the window. The OS is already installed into my microSD card. So now we have to go to Advanced IP Scanner to scan the IP of Raspberry Pi. So I have pasted the IP which I have updated already. So let me scan it. Yes, I got the Raspberry Pi IP address. So let me copy it. Copy IP. Yes, I got it. Then minimize it and let us go to the Putty software. Let me type Putty. Yes, it came, Putty software. So let us type the IP and paste it. Yes, it came, login as Pi and default password is Raspberry. The password may not be visible, so we have to also type it in our keyboard. Then we have to type sudo raspi config. To configure the Raspberry, we have to type this command. So let us go to interference option. So before going this, I want to show you how to go. In this programming, we can't go using a mouse click. So we have to go using a keyboard only. Let me set the keyboard. Yes. So now we have to go to interference options, which is at number 3. Then press enter. Then we have to go to SSH. Then press enter. Then again press enter. We have to wait for some while. Then yes, enter. Then again we have to go to interference option and enable the VNC viewer like this. Yes, the VNC viewer is enabled. Let us click on tab and then finish it. Okay, let us close this session. And now we have to go to VNC viewer. In VNC viewer, we have to paste the IP address that we have obtained already in the IP scanner. Yes, it has opened. So, I will make it full screen. Yes, this is the terminal and everything has came. So this was the method how we can do using Putty